Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got an amazing tutorial lined up for you. We're going to guide you step by step on how to create an SSH, SSL, TLS server payload and set it up on the ARMOD VPN app. This setup will help you enjoy faster speeds and a secure web connection, perfect for browsing, streaming, or gaming. Before we dive in, if you're new here, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with your friends. Also, don't forget to check out our blog for more VPN tips and hidden tricks. Let's get started. First, let's create the SSH SSL server. Open your web browser and type UDP and slow DNS files into the search bar, then hit enter. Look for the official UDP and slow DNS website in the search results and click on it. This website will allow us to create our SSH SSL server quickly and easily. Once you're on the home page, look for the menu button at the top corner of the page. Click on it to reveal a list of options. From the menu, select SSH. This will redirect you to the account creation page. Here you'll need to enter a username and password, complete the CAPTCHA, and click the Create Now button. After a brief countdown of 10 seconds, your server details will be generated and displayed. Click the Copy Server Info button to save these details to your clipboard. Then, paste the information into your device's Notes app or any safe location for future use. Next, let's move on to setting up your SSH server on the ARMOD VPN app. Make sure you have the latest version of the ARMOD VPN app installed. If not, head over to the Google Play Store, search for ARMOD VPN, and download the app. Once installed, open the app and you'll see the home screen. Now let's configure the server. Tap the small plus button icon to open a drop-down menu. From the list, select SSH Tunnel. This will open a new setup page. In the remarks field, type a name for your server, like SSH Tunnel. Below, in the address box field, enter the IP or host and port 4v3 from the server details you created earlier. Enter your username and password as well. In the payload field, input the valid payload. If a proxy is available, add it here. Choose TLS type from the options. In the SNI box, add the host of your server or leave it empty if unavailable. After filling in all the fields correctly, tap the top right Save button to save your server configuration. Now that the setup is complete, let's connect to your secure web connection. 1. Return to the ARMOD VPN home screen. Tap the play button to activate your connection. Congratulations, you're now connected to a secure SSH SSL TLS server via ARMOD VPN. Enjoy a faster and safer browsing experience. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. See you in the next video.